Today, I'm going to teach you what is inverse function, the graph of inverse function, table of values, and on how to solve inverse equations. First, what is inverse function? Inverse function. An inverse function or anti-function is a function that reverses another function. If the function f applied to an input x gives a result of y, then applying its inverse function g to y gives the result x and vice versa. Now, before I teach you on how to solve inverse function, first, the example of real life situation of an inverse function is untying your shoelace and getting some rice from the bag and uncharging your phone. That's all. Now, we're going to solve some equations and prove them if they have inverse equation. Now, the table of values. X here has the values 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the y is negative 5, negative 3, negative 1, 1, and 3. The x values were called inputs. And the y values called outputs. This table as a whole is called a function. Now, find the inverse of the following equation. I'm going to teach you on how to solve it. So, okay. Number 1, g of x is equal to 1/2 x plus 7. So, first, substitute the given values. Y is equal to 1/2 x plus 7. Then, change the y's into x and x into y's. X is equal to 1/2 x plus 7. 1/2 plus 7. Now, multiply both sides by 2. 2x is equal to y plus 7. Then, transfer the 7 to the other side of the equation. 2x minus 7 is equal to y. So, now, we're going to change it into our equation which is g of x is equal to 2x minus 7. Since it's an inverse function, we need to do a negative 1 here. Now, for the second problem, number 2, f of x is equal to x minus 2 cubed plus 1. Now, again, change it into y and x. Y is equal to x minus 2 cubed plus 1. And then, change the x into y's and y's into x. X is equal to y minus 2 cubed plus 1. Then, transfer the x minus 1 to the other side of the transfer the 1 into the other side of the equation. X minus 1 is equal to y. So, that's how to solve a inverse function. I hope that you learned anything from me on how to solve a inverse function. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Rheinne, and I'm going to show you how to solve exponential equations and inequalities. So, let's start!
Good.